Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to reset Microsoft Edge browser in Windows 11. Open Microsoft Edge, click on this three dot, then settings. Scroll down. Now here the option reset settings, just click on it. Restore settings to their default values, click on it. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine and pinned tabs. If will also turn off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies, your favorites, history and saved passwords will not be cleared. So make sure history and saved passwords will not be cleared. So if you are sure, click on reset. Settings were reset. That's it. So like this guys, you can reset Microsoft Edge browser in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.